Hey guys, so we're back in the indoors and I want to test fly the Spitfire, which you would have seen in the build video, which I'll link at the end of this one if you like, and we'll give it a go. Wish me luck. I might start by doing taxi trials, I think. One thing I have done actually since the build video is I've pulled some dihedral in just with a piece of cotton, just pulling it up artificially, so it might help. We'll see. Oh, I've got full right rudder and it's not turning, so which is surprising given the size of the rudder. Oh, oh, landing. Oh, I've got to walk. Yeah, perhaps I need some right thrust on the motor, which is a bit annoying. Oh, I tell you what, actually, it might be that warp in the wing isn't helping, because I need full right rudder to sort of keep it level. But it shows potential, doesn't it? Great potential. I'll have a look. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll probably need to, because I've got, yeah, the left wing is actually neutral, but the starboard wing's neutral, but the port wing's up at the trailing edge, so that means I've got more lift on the right, which is throwing it to the left. Right then guys, so following the Maiden, which you just witnessed, before we get on with the rest of the video, a couple of highlights. I've decided that the starboard wing is down a little bit on that corner, causing it to fly left, so full right rudder wasn't enough to compensate. So how am I going to get that? You can't just steam it because of what it's constructed out of. So had a thought in the night, instead of using the cotton thread which pulls it up, I can still use cotton thread, but I'm going to put a piece from, I think about this in the night, you see, I can do a similar piece of cotton from here round the fuselage once and down to here, and likewise on that side round the fuselage once and down to there. The idea being that I can, by twisting it into the desired shape, it'll pull the thread longer one side than the other. I can then, while it's in that position, CA it and it'll hold it in that position. And then I will just cut these off, but I'll leave them there for the minute because they're pulling the dihedral up. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it in exactly the same way as I did these, which was a bit fiddly to be honest, but definitely worth a go. So yeah, that's the theory that I'm going to do. So I'll crack on with that, and when I've managed it, I'll come back to you and we can have a look and see if it's actually done the trick. I did suggest that maybe I needed some right thrust. I have actually got a little bit of right thrust built in, so, and I can't change it anyway because it's all glued in, epoxied, so I'm limited what I can do there. So just let me do this and then I'll come back to you and you can have a look, and then we'll get on with the rest of the video. Cheers guys. Cheers. Right, okay, I've managed to do that successfully because I figured after I spoke to you last, I don't need to do anything to this wing as long as I got this wing to match. And to do that, all I had to do was to lift this side up to match that side. So I've just got one piece of cotton in there, pulling it up. As you can see, it's made the covering go a little bit there. I could put a bit of heat on it to take that out. Might work. But now when I look down it, I've got an equal amount of washout on each side. So it now should turn right. So let's get on with the rest of the video. You can see the highlights of the flying session. We had good fun. We got one more coming up next month. If I get a calm day, I'll try this outdoors. If not, you'll have to wait another 4 weeks before you get to see what happens with that one. So, oh, sun's going in. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and let's get on to the rest of the video. Cheers.
That's not pulled properly, is it?
That's right.
Yeah, I bought them online on eBay and one I was doing posted.
So it's angel wings.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, it's good to have an assortment of models, Steve, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got a helicopter in the car.
Okay, of course you have. Oh, heads up. Oh no! What are the odds of that? Does it need charging? Oh. Okay, it seems to climb really well. I'm going to try and bend in some down elevator and try and control it. That was a laugh. Oh. 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 Ooh. Oh. Ah.
Magnetic wall.
There is. Good fun though, isn't it? Oh, it's coming back. Okay, I think that was fun. Let's get some radio control going, I think. Whoa! While you're up there,
Yeah, what?
oh.
Oh, you're right. Steve's got it.
That was a bit of luck.
I'm going to drive her home. What do you think? She's not safe to drive. Trust me. I'm not safe to drive. Oh, actually. No, I'm working. I should be working. I'm actually working now.
Yeah, I can see that. Right. Take it easy.
Cheers, Trev. Ooh!
I had to shut my throttle then, otherwise I'd have caught the bottom of your loop. I don't know what happened. I think one went right through you.
Oh! I moved too fast, Chris. Free flight. Oh, turn. It's a scream if it's nothing else. Yeah, it was a couple of quid. I did put an undercarriage on it though.
Yeah.
Oh, I've lost my nose weight. Won't fly without that. I've got some free flight rubber models which fly for about a minute.
Alright.
Could fly them in here, but we're hogging the airspace a bit. But... Oh, heads up.
Incoming.
I'm going to lose it.
Oh, yeah.
It's in the balcony. Hey, that was a good one. Oh no. Oh. Walkies. Oh. Nearly got 2 circuits. Wow. That was fun, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.